people. So it's a Sunday afternoon, and my kid and me are we are all set to catch the metro train in some time. But my son had wanted to. I'm all for gender equality, yeah. Like seriously. So my kid says, I really have come to trust this young man. Be it his choices, and overall he's one of the wisest 7-year-olds I've met. I mean, I guess most mothers would say that, but seriously. So no, so as part of my gender sensitivity initiative, my kid likes to apply a little nail polish for me, so I want him to do that because I feel it'll help him in someday if he's you never know, right? The future. I was like, there's these whole unigender parlors that have opened up, and otherwise also I feel nail polish is a lot like painting. If you are the creative type, you'll be able to do it really well. So my kid is doing it for me, and I'm feeling so happy. It feels nice. So yeah, this is one of these bizarre videos we make, but like always, it's special. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please
And do
subscribe
the bell.
and do the bell.